Have you ever wondered what the most expensive hotel in the world is?
Well, forget your $200 and $500 a night because this list starts at
28,000 a
a
night.
night and is not the normal 28,000 but $28,000.
So if money is not object for you and you're looking for your premium
Then
getaway,
here is the list of top 10 most expensive hotels in the world. Number 10, the Royal Suite Burj Al Arab.
located in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, the Burj was marketed as the world's first ever 7-star hotel, cost about 28,000 US dollars a night.
It's the seventh tallest hotel in the world and was designed by the architect Tom Wright to resemble the sail of a ship. It stands on a man-made artificial island. It is 780 square meter suites, sets over 2 floors, is decorated in 22-karat gold and comes with a private dining area, private lounge and numerous staff to answer your beck and call.
Well, not bad for $28,000 a night. Number 9. The Royal Suite, The Plaza.
Located in New York City and cost about 40,000 US dollars a night.
So, what do you get for that?
You entered the suite and are greeted with an exquisitely designed living room equipped with the latest top of the line amenities and luxuries. The suite has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a lounge, a separate dining room which sets up to 12 people. Number 8, the Hilltop Villa.
The Hilltop Villa is tucked away in paradise, only accessible to the super rich. The hotel is located in the Laukala Island in Fiji and cost an impressive 45,000 US dollars a night.
But for this, you have to book 3 villas, which is a part of this Hilltop Villa.
Coming in at number 7 on our list of the most expensive hotel in the world is the Muraka. The suite is located in the Maldives at the Conrad and is marketed as the world's first underwater hotel suite.
The Muraka is 2 stories tall, with the bottom story being roughly 16 feet below the Indian Ocean. For $50,000 a night, you can expect to be automatically upgraded to Hilton Diamond status. Upon arrive, enjoy a private chef, private bar, gym, and much more.
Coming on number 6, the Penthouse Suite, Hotel Martinez. The Penthouse Suite in the Hotel Martinez will set you back $53,000 a night. Located in Cannes, France, which is one of the best known resorts in the Côte d'Azur.
Kicking off the top 5 countdown is the Thai Warner Penthouse 4-season hotel in the New York City. The luxury hotel suite is named after the owner of the building, Thai Warner, and will cost you around $60,000 a night. With a 360-degree panoramic view of the city and contains 4 glass balconies that provides views of up-down, mid-down and downtown New York.
If that's not enough, then you can take advantage of unlimited massages that are thrown in for good measure. Number 4, the Mark Penthouse. The Mark Hotel. The Mark Hotel's Grand Penthouse is the largest hotel suite penthouse in the United States, covering a whopping 10,000 square feet.
Which cost a night of 75,000 US dollars. You'll get 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, 4 fireplaces, 2 wet bars, 2 powder rooms, and a large open plan living room. The living room has its own party trick. But one of the nicest features of the penthouse suite is its 250 square meter terrace with panoramic views of Central Park.
So, if you want to play the King Queen of New Year for a while, then book yourself a few nights in this suite.
Number 3, the Royal Penthouse Hotel President Wilson.
If you are in Geneva, Switzerland and have 80,000 US dollars to spend a night, then this is the hotel for you. The Royal Penthouse in the Hotel President Wilson occupies the entire 8th floor of the hotel, offers a panoramic view of Lake Geneva and Mont Blanc as well as 12 bedrooms, 12 bathrooms, and a jacuzzi bath overlooking the lake. If safety is a top concern for you when staying in a luxury hotel, then rest assured that the Royal Penthouse is one of the safest places to be.
It has bulletproof glass 24/7 security, a security camera system throughout the suite, and a fortified safe to store your valuables.
Breaking the 100,000 a night price tag, the empty suite at the Palms, Las Vegas is the second most expensive hotel in the world, as it crosses the $100,000. So I will describe it by myself that this empty suite was the result of a full redesign by Damien Hirst and a complete overhaul of the old Sky Villa suite. So if you are the Damien Hirst fan and you have got the spare cash, then treat yourself.
And here comes the world top most expensive hotel of the world, Lovers Deep Luxury Submarine Hotel. Cost about 1,50,000 US dollars. It requires you to go underwater in the submarine. The submarine hotel is located in St. Lucia and can be navigated around the Caribbean to suit its guests' requirements. You will get the 5-star accommodation beneath the waves, which includes your own captain, private chef, and butler, speed boat transfer to and from the submarine, and some additional option add-ons like helicopter transfer, beach landings, and champagne-soaked breakfast. That is it from our side, and if you like the video, then please like, share and subscribe. EOS Gain to Create.